Hey there, I'm Lauren. I'm a trauma release specialist. And if you've ever thought, I know why I'm like this, so why can't I just stop doing it? This video is for you. Because understanding your trauma isn't the same as healing it. You can know every detail about your past. You can talk about your pain for years. But if your nervous system is still wired for survival, you will stay stuck in patterns like this: overreacting even when you don't want to, shutting down emotionally, people pleasing, procrastination, overthinking, feeling numb, anxious, or angry for no obvious reason. I will break down exactly what happens, how trauma gets stored, and what actually works to shift it. At the end of this video, I will share with you how you can join my free healing webinar, where I teach you the tools that helped me finally feel safe, clear, and powerful in my own body. Let's start with something real. Talking about your trauma is not the same as healing it. I know I'm gonna get a bit of hate for this, but I don't care. Therapy can be beautiful, insightful, and powerful, but you don't live your life from your logic. You live it from your nervous system. Trauma lives in the body, not just in the memory. That's why you can go years in therapy and still get triggered by the same thing. Sabotage your relationships, feel like you are living on autopilot, which, let's be real, might be exactly what you're doing because your nervous system is stuck in a loop, not because you are broken, but because you haven't rewired the body yet. When something overwhelming happens to us, especially in the childhood, our body starts saying this: I don't feel safe, I cannot process this, I just need to survive. So it freezes, or it fights, or it submits, and that is the pattern that becomes your baseline through your entire life. You don't decide to react that way. Your subconscious mind does that for you. Your nervous system does that for you. Your energy field gets shaped by it. And unless you go back and release that charge, the trauma doesn't end. It just changes outfits. It becomes perfectionism, it becomes anxiety, it becomes chronic illness, it becomes isolation, it becomes burnout. Been there, done that, not fun. Your mind keeps thinking it can solve it. But healing isn't just mental, it's somatic, it's energetic, and it's subconscious. So, what does actually work? You need methods that speak the language of your nervous system and your energy body. I personally use EFT to release stored emotions and calm survival responses. But listen to me, you need to write your own affirmations. NLP to rewire and shift the subconscious pattern trauma that I created. Somatic breath work to reset the vagus nerve and rewire your baseline. and intuitive energy healing to reconnect with the part of you that was never broken. These aren't just techniques, they're doorways. Doorways back to your body, your truth, your safety, and your own power. Because trust me, you don't need more insight. You need embodied safety. You need to stop reliving the story and finally release the survival loop. For years, I thought I just need to figure it out. I read all the books, did all the talking, and still felt like I was stuck in quicksand. It wasn't until I started working with the body, with the energy, and with the subconscious patterns I didn't even know I had that things actually started to shift. I had to learn that healing is not linear and I need to take it slow. That's why I created my own healing system, not based on theory, but on my own experience. And now I want to share it with you completely free. You have the power to heal yourself. That's the name of my free webinar. I walk you through the exact techniques I used. This will calm your overactive nervous system, release trauma without talking about it, reconnect with your own energy, intuition, and power. You'll learn simple but real time tools that don't just inform, they transform. So click the link below, sign up, and watch instantly. No waiting, no pressure, just you healing yourself on your own terms. Sign up and get instant access to your new healing webinar. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments. What's one thing you've realized thinking alone couldn't fix? And if you're ready to move from insight to transformation, your healing starts now. You already have the power. I'm just here to show you how. And I will tell you what I realized couldn't be healed just by talking. My fear of being seen.